You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these very common words in English. They're very common, they're very useful. You must know how to pronounce them properly. For more vocabulary in English, stay tuned to the channel. I've got tons of more videos for you coming up. The top word in British English is pronounced as ear. Ear. A short E sound, E, and then a short schwa sound, an sound, ear. The American English of the same word is ear. This is the organ you use for hearing, for listening to things. Ear. The bottom word in British English is pronounced as year. 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 American English pronunciation, year. Alright, so let's listen to them again. British English pronunciation, ear versus year. Ear, year. Okay, you essentially have a y sound to year before. Ear, year. American English pronunciation, ear versus year. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. See you soon for more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.